Creating an effective email newsletter involves several steps to engage your audience and deliver valuable content. Here's a concise guide. Define purpose and audience. Define the goal of your newsletter and identify your target audience. Choose an email marketing platform. Select an email marketing service like MailChimp, Constant Contact, or HubSpot to design, send, and track your newsletters. Build your subscriber list. Collect email addresses through sign-up forms on your website, social media, or other channels. Ensure consent and offer incentives if needed. Plan content. Create a content calendar with topics, headlines, and publication dates. Ensure content is relevant and valuable to your audience. Design templates. Customize your newsletter template to reflect your brand style. Keep it mobile responsive for easy reading on all devices. Craft engaging content. Write compelling headlines, concise copy, and include visuals like images or videos. Provide links for further reading. Personalize. Address subscribers by their first name and segment your list to send targeted content to specific groups. Test and preview. Use email preview tools to ensure your newsletter looks good on various email clients. Send test emails to check for errors. Subject line. Create an attention-grabbing subject line to increase open rates. Call to action. Include clear CTAs that direct readers to take specific actions, such as visiting your website or making a purchase. Mobile optimization. Ensure your newsletter is mobile friendly, as a significant portion of readers access emails on mobile devices. Testing. Send your newsletter to a small segment of your list and monitor engagement metrics. Make adjustments as needed. Schedule and send. Choose an optimal send time and schedule your newsletter to reach subscribers when they are most likely to engage. Analyze and iterate. After sending, analyze performance metrics and use insights to improve future newsletters.